Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Aircraft builders are constantly seeking ways to cut down the weight of their planes, and there are clear reasons behind this pursuit. A lighter aircraft consumes less fuel and carries more passengers. Even something as simple as the paint covering an aircraft can significantly add to its total weight. Airlines rely on their aircraft's paintwork to showcase their brand identity and logos. In contrast, military aircraft are coded for functional, tactical, and operational purposes. Telling military aircraft apart from civilian ones is not difficult. The paint used on military planes typically has a signature grayish hue as required. Spotting an aircraft in this shade is often enough to alert opposing forces or act as a signal to Allied troops. This subdued gray also aids in reducing visibility during night operations. Military aircraft are coated in specialized facilities, designed with smooth walls and ceilings to prevent turbulence and avoid trapping overspray, dust, or debris.
Well, the facility just underwent a couple of renovations, and one of them was the filtration system. They upgraded the filtration system so that it filters out more of the chemicals, so that the environmental factor is reduced.
Some of these painting hangars are also equipped with metal halide lighting, ensuring accurate color tones to support the painter's precision. Painting a C-5 Galaxy is no small feat. The process demands 24 personnel per shift and nearly 7 to 10 days to complete all the steps. Masking, sanding, washing, sealing, priming, and finally painting. Once masking and washing are done, airmen apply a surface pretreatment to improve primer bonding. Next, a primer coat is sprayed on, while polysulfide sealant is applied to high-stress areas vulnerable to corrosion, such as the leading edges of the wings. The finishing stage involves applying the top coat. Astonishingly, more than 200 gallons of paint are sprayed onto a C-5 in just over an hour. At times, the U.S. military adds creativity to repainting projects. When giving a fresh look to an A-10 Thunderbolt II, the Black Snakes of the 122nd Fighter Wing designed a special paint job to honor a century of aviation in the Indiana National Guard. The aircraft was finished in a blend of black and dark gray, retaining the classic Ayton paint lines across its fuselage, wings, and engines. Its nose bore a striking green-eyed snake design from the 122nd FW, complete with fangs wrapping around the 30mm rotary cannon. Similarly, like cars requiring protective paintwork, aircraft too must be repainted for durability. F-16 fighter jets, for instance, undergo repainting whenever needed. Crews start by sanding away the old coating and smoothing damaged areas. A primer layer follows, ensuring strong adhesion between the new and existing surfaces. 2 layers of top coat are then applied in sequence. For both civilian and military aircraft, technology is crucial to achieving lasting finishes. While commercial jets prioritize branding and visual appeal, military planes like the C-5 rely on advanced coatings engineered for endurance and mission readiness. Our journey now leads us into the fascinating domain of historical aircraft restoration through repainting. For aviation fans and history lovers, preserving the legacy of legendary aircraft combines passion with precision. The painstaking restoration of planes, such as the F-100D Super Sabre and F-84F Thunderstreak, stands as proof of this commitment. Once proud assets of the 164th Fighter Squadron in Mansfield, these aircraft were given renewed life through repainting efforts. This work was made possible by the expertise and dedication of the Air National Guard Historical Office, which guided the process with remarkable attention to detail. As restoration efforts unfold, focus often shifts to components that, while less visually striking than fuselages or cockpits, are no less vital: the propellers. These blades once generated the lift and thrust essential to flight, and restoring them is as crucial to authenticity as reviving an aircraft's bodywork, rivets, or paint. The renewal process demands meticulous inspection, conservation of materials, and occasionally even crafting replacement parts, all to ensure both safety and historical accuracy. A prime illustration of this dedication can be seen in the ongoing restoration of the Boeing B-17F Memphis Belle. Famed as one of World War II's most iconic bombers, the Memphis Belle is undergoing a meticulous restoration at the National Museum of the U.S. Air Force in Dayton, Ohio. This effort, many years in the making, poses both technical and emotional challenges. Its propellers, in particular, are being restored with extraordinary care so that every angle and finish matches the bomber's original 1940s specifications. This undertaking has inspired aviation enthusiasts and historians worldwide, showcasing the craftsmanship, devotion, and respect required to preserve a true symbol of aerial heritage. As aircraft structures advanced from simple wooden frames to modern composite materials, the upkeep methods evolved as well. Among the key improvements was the transformation of aircraft washing technology. Maintaining a gleaming aircraft does far more than enhance appearance. It safeguards the aerodynamic profile, boosting fuel efficiency while also instilling passenger confidence. Yet despite advances, cleaning methods lagged behind for years, with crews relying on mops for labor-intensive scrubbing. This approach was slow, consumed hours, and often risked damaging sensitive exterior parts. A breakthrough arrived in the form of robotic washing systems, such as the autonomous washer at San Antonio Air Force Base. Military jets, unlike commercial liners, are exposed to harsher conditions, gathering soot, gun smoke, and other residues, which require deep cleaning to prevent corrosion and damage. Fighter jets like the F-16 are scheduled for a wash every 180 days. Yet their intricate designs, filled with countless recesses, make cleaning difficult. The robotic washer, equipped with dual arms running along tracks, delivers comprehensive, high-quality cleaning by reaching every hidden surface. Though washing jets doesn't require advanced technical skills, it is a time-intensive job. To free up maintainers for critical repairs, many wings outsource aircraft washing to contracted teams. This arrangement boosts aircraft readiness by ensuring mechanics can focus on essential maintenance while contractors handle the cleaning. However, when it comes to larger aircraft, the process becomes even more challenging. Planes like the KC-135 undergo washes for the same anti-corrosion reasons as fighters. Before washing begins, maintenance teams seal sensors and openings with covers and masking tape to prevent water intrusion. High-pressure sprays of soap and water are used to clean the aircraft, followed by scrubbing to eliminate grime. Since cleaning removes lubrication, technicians reapply lubricants immediately afterward. For a Cone 30J Super Hercules, the wash typically requires about 8 personnel and can take up to 8 hours. Manual washing also increases the chance of exposure to cleaning chemicals, making protective equipment a must. Airmen working on wings or elevated areas rely on harnesses to prevent falls. From precision painting of frontline fighters to the intricate restoration of historic warbirds, the care and preparation of military aircraft is far more involved than most imagine. Whether applying protective coatings to a C-5 Galaxy, crafting a commemorative paint design on an Aton, or restoring the propellers of the legendary Memphis Belle, every task is deliberate, strengthening performance, shielding vital structures, or honoring history. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.